What's up everybody, it's Peter, welcome to our channel. And in this video I'm gonna give you my opinion on this really poor quality milling machine workbench, or the way I call milling machine dual axle vise. I do have a nice drill press machine and I thought I was gonna convert it to milling machine, kinda do basic stuff. Pretty much everything comes in this kinda nicely box. And that's only what it's nice about it. To be honest, I didn't recognize that how crappy quality this vise is gonna be. It's a dual axle X and Y, and pretty much X axle, I call X axle, it's gonna be 12-inch going from end to end, and Y axle, I believe it's around 4.5-inch. Dirt cheap, of course, something like that. I mean, now I know if it's that price, don't even bother to buy it, because the quality, the tolerance is gonna be horrible. That's not usable for what I was planning to use for. First of all, the table itself, you can see it's kind of bulged like that. Well, camera probably is not gonna pick it up, but that's exactly what it is. Everything made from aluminum besides worm shaft, screws, of course, and pretty much that's it. The mounting base is made from aluminum, which I don't have any problem with that because it's going to be attached and should be works okay. The table itself, like I said, it's bulged, plus the tolerance. I mean, for example, like right now, it moves that much. And of course, it's no big deal because there's the 3 screws. I mean, you adjust it and you have to adjust it. You have to adjust the X axle, those 3 screws, and Y axle as well to make sure everything nice and tight. And that's normal. That you have to expect that you will do calibration, no problem. The problem I got, because the table itself, it's not machined, it's just cast aluminum. Pretty much over here, it will remove one tolerance. If you use it to worm shaft and bring it to one end, it moves different tolerance. And you move it to other end, it's also different tolerance. Pretty much doesn't matter. I mean, it's gonna be really tight on the ends, loose on the center. It's horrible. Like I said, it's not usable at all. Same thing on the Y axle. Even Y axle is shorter, but due to our tolerance and quality of machining, and well, actually those rails, like I said, is not machined, it's a casted. Pretty much that's a big waste of money. If you're looking for something like I was looking for, don't even bother to get this, I mean, cheap made, poor quality device, which, like I said, you will regret and you will recognize that you just tossed money right in a dumpster. Well guys, pretty much that's all I got for this video. I hope it was interesting and maybe in some way enjoyable. If you guys did enjoy it, thumbs up. If you don't want to miss any future videos, subscribe. We'll be really appreciate. Thank you.